What is your name?
My name is Mr. Haig.
What is your job at Nico?
My job is to teach Year 1 and Year 2 students.
How many years have you been teaching?
How many years have I been teaching? This is my 5th year, so at the end of this year I will have taught for 5 years.
Is your job fun?
Is my job fun? It's very, very fun. I enjoy it a lot. I enjoy teaching kids. I think it's the best job in the world.
What do you like about the Halloween fete?
What do I like about the...
Halloween fete.
About the what?
Halloween fete.
The Halloween fete. I love being able to get dressed up. I always get dressed up as a vampire, and I love being able to get dressed up.
What is your favourite thing about Nico?
My favourite thing about Nico is the kids, I think. I really think the kids make Nico a really great school.
Thank you.